welcome back to Newfound Dreamer. Sorry I look like a sweaty mess right now. My hair is so greasy, it's disgusting. But I am about to go get a shower. But before I do, I just wanted to share with you what my plan is for today's video. So I am going to try the curly girl hair method for the first time. I have naturally curly hair, which I do not wear naturally curly. I typically air dry it or blow dry my hair and then curl with a straightener. Or I straighten my hair a little bit and put it up into a ponytail or a bun. I typically go through a phase every summer where I leave my hair curly for about a week or so. It's typically when the weather is like it is today, hot and humid, and then I revert back to curling my hair with a straightener. Since high school, I have never really gone more than a week leaving my hair curly, and I think it's been over 5 years since I purchased products for curly hair, with the exception of yesterday. I actually went to the store and purchased some curly hair products specifically to try the curly girl hair method. I'm going to go get a shower, and when I get out, I will be trying the curly girl hair method. But I will not be following all of the rules. There are a lot of them, and it's pretty intimidating, especially for a first time trying this method. So I will be following as many as I remember. We'll see how it goes. I really hope that my curls turn out better than what they normally do. Okay, so I just got out of the shower and my hair is still dripping wet. I know a lot of the curly girl method videos that I watch, they actually apply their products in the shower. I'm not doing that. So the products that I picked up are the Shea Moisture Curl Stretch Pudding. I really wanted the curl enhancing smoothie, but they did not have that available, so I picked this up instead. Hopefully it works. I'm not sure if it will. And this was the only type of gel that I could find that was natural or didn't include artificial fragrances. So this is the Shea Moisture Styling Jelly. I will be using this as well. So a lot of the videos that I watch, they put in the smoothie mixture first. I really hope this pudding is the same or similar. So I am going to start by scrunching this into my hair. Okay, so I don't love the smell of this product at all. Okay, so now that I have that product scrunched into my hair, I am actually going to add the gel, and I've seen people do this in layers, so I'm going to do that as well. Apparently you have to put a lot in to create a cast on your hair, and once your hair is dry, you scrunch your hair to break the cast. So let's see how this goes. So I am using the Shea Moisture Styling Jelly. So people tend to use the praying hands method for this, so let's give that a try. So I think the big thing about the curly girl hair method is you do not use any sulfates or silicones or products with alcohol in them, although I think most of my products I'm using today have alcohol in them. But I think there's a difference between the different types of alcohol. Like, I think the curly girl hair method, you're really supposed to avoid the types of alcohol that are very drying. And most of the products that I use are natural anyway, so I'm not too concerned as long as they are naturally scented and do not contain harmful ingredients. That's what I typically go to. So I try to use cleaner skincare products or cleaner products in general, whether that's cleaning my house, my hair, what I apply to my skin, my shower gels, things like that. I try to go the more natural, botanically based route instead of chemicals that I do not know what the impact they are on my health. From what I've read, you want to be able to hear the gel in your hair, and I can certainly hear it in mine. I don't know if you can, but. Okay, so for the curly girl hair method, you do not want to use a normal towel. I actually do not use a towel on my hair, and I haven't for several months now. I just use a cotton t-shirt, an old cotton t-shirt of Rob's. So I'm just gonna get some of the excess water out with the towel. I'm hoping that the products that I'm using prevent the frizziness, but we'll see. So you want to use a lot of gel because you want there to be a cast in your hair. So the thing that I'm typically trying to avoid when I do my hair curly, like the hard curls, you apparently want that when you're doing this method, and then you'll break the cast later, which is quite interesting because I would have never ever thought to do that with my hair until I started watching videos and tutorials on this method. And I don't know if I'm doing this right, so if you have any tips, please leave them in the comments below. If you have any natural curly hair product recommendations, please leave them in the comments below as well, because if I like this method, I may want to invest in some good quality natural curly hair products. Ooh, the curls actually look better now than what my curls normally look when I leave my hair naturally curly. So let's take that as a good sign. So I am actually going to wrap my hair up in a t-shirt for the next 5 to 10 minutes to get some of the excess moisture out of my hair. And then I will take the t-shirt off and let my hair finish air drying. Okay, so my hair is now up in the towel. It's not the most flattering look, and I can't believe that I'm going to be putting this on the internet. But here we are, and I will be back once my hair is dry to check in. My hair is finally dry, but I think I may have done something wrong because the gel did not put a cast in my hair. Like, my hair is not crunchy by any means. It's actually pretty soft to the touch. The one thing that I do not like is when I touch my hair, it leaves a residue on my fingertips. And I don't like that feeling, but it may be normal. It may just not be something that I'm used to because I rarely ever wear product in my hair. So I'm just not used to a residue being left on my fingers after I touch my hair. As for the products that I use, like I mentioned earlier, I do not like the scent. They are made with a blend of essential oils to provide the scent, and it's just not a scent that I find enjoyable. It didn't trigger my allergies like chemically scented products would. It's not a scent that I enjoy. So I used the Shea Moisture Curl Stretch Pudding and the Shea Moisture Styling Jelly. So when I decided to do this method and purchase products, these two products are not products that I intended to purchase. I actually wanted to buy the Curl Enhancing Smoothie by Shea Moisture, and I was looking for a natural gel, and this was the closest thing that I could find to a natural gel. At least it was the only one at Walmart that was scented using essential oils and not fragrance. So I picked up these two products yesterday because they were pretty much my only options. So if you have any natural product recommendations for the curly girl hair method, please let me know in the comments below. I would love to check them out and try out some new products if I continue with this for more than a week. So do I think this method worked for me? Yes, but I would like to do some more experimentation. My curls are more defined and less frizzy and messy than they normally are. But after watching all the videos and the nice thick curls the girls have that use this method, I was hoping for something a little nicer. But it might just be my curl type. Maybe this is my curl type and that's all I can expect for my hair. But after watching the videos, I also know that the first time they tried this method versus, 30, 60 days into this method, their hair started to learn their curl type and the look and texture of their curls started to change. So I am going to give this at least a week to see what my hair looks like by following this method for a week. And then after the week, I will decide if I want to continue on with the curly girl hair method, or maybe I'll just be over my naturally curly hair and want to go back to curling my hair with a straightener. Who knows? For this test for today, I am pretty happy with how it turned out. I am actually going to check back in again, maybe later tonight or tomorrow morning, because I am going to see what my hair looks like on day 2. Most videos that I watch of people that use the curly girl hair method can get more than 1 day out of their hair. So it was recommended that I pick up these type of hair ties. I'm not actually sure what these are called, but they're more of a coil. Apparently these will not leave creases in your hair. So I plan to put my hair in a loose high ponytail before I go to bed tonight and see if I still have nice curly hair when I wake up tomorrow morning. So I will check back in again with you tomorrow morning. Good morning. It is currently 6 a.m. and I am not long up out of bed. I just wanted to hop on and show you my day 2 hair, and I am actually pretty impressed with it, by the way. I thought that when I woke up this morning, my hair would be an absolute mess. I am okay with wearing my hair like this. I like it. It's nicer than what my natural curly hair typically is. So I am excited to continue to use this method for the rest of the week, and I will reevaluate at the end of the week whether or not I am going to stick with it. But if you like this video and you are interested in seeing more curly haired videos in the future, please let me know in the comments below. Now I want to know, have you tried the curly girl hair method, or are you planning on trying the curly girl hair method? Let me know in the comments below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Please hit that subscribe button because it helps support my channel. And remember to do one thing today that will help you create the life of your dreams. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you back here next Thursday with a new video. It is currently 10:50 and I have already done a high intensity workout. I mowed the grass in both my front and backyards, and I went to the strawberry U-Pick to pick myself some strawberries. It's a little bit of weird texture. Oh, look, I look so tired. But it's au naturel, so